Yeah, silk. The silk.
All right.
Oh.
We're off to see the silk. Let's go see the silk being made.
Silk and silver, yeah?
Yep.
Bamboo racquetware, and you can see the stone.
Yep.
Stone, cutting stone, jewelry stone.
Okay. Let's do it.
Okay.
Even if it's raining, maybe.
Oh, no.
It'll be
A
okay.
little bit.
Okay. Kamphaeng?
Home cup. Yeah, you stay here.
At the big motel.
What big hotel?
At the big motel. The chai?
Yes.
Brett.
Right.
That
Nice
means,
to meet you.
is that yes,
Yes.
in Thai?
Chai. Yeah.
Chai? Does that mean yes?
Chai, same, the luck tea. Chai, same tea.
Oh yes, yeah, like the
Chai
tea.
tea, yeah.
Nice. Thank you, Chai.
Okay.
Kamphaeng. All right, here we go. We'll go to a tour around, take on a cruise around, and we'll see some of the sights. Oh, Kamphaeng, hot dog. Alright, Chai. Kamphaeng.
Welcome.
How long have you had this Tuk Tuk for?
I die now, 15 years now, but
Yeah.
I make new now,
Yeah.
3 years.
Wow.
Before very old, huh?
Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, we'll try we'll do a bit of a food vlog. Tastes good. An immaculate machine. Probably one of the best tuk-tuks here in Chiang Mai, I think. Okay, here we are. Wow. Oh, they're there. Oh my gosh.
It's about 1 week.
1 week old.
Same side. They eat the mulberry leaf.
Yeah.
Yes, it's about 20 until 30 days. And then they bigger and become yellow color.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's so many.
So many, they eat all the time and sleep.
Like me. I eat all the time.
Hey, baby, bye, big girl,
Oh.
bye.
Oh wow.
Is this
Oh yeah. That's amazing. So all year round, do they?
After they're bigger like this and they become yellow color, and then they make the cocoon.
Yep.
Make cocoon. They live inside the cocoon about 5 until 7 days.
Yep.
Yes, and then they become butterfly. They have to cut the cocoon, come out to be
Oh, out here.
butterfly.
Oh,
Like
that's
this.
there.
Yes. They are breeding and lay eggs, and then they die in about 2 or 3 days.
2 or 3 days.
Yes.
That's
and then
it?
they die. That's it.
Wow.
Yes. So we have to let some cocoon to be butterfly and some cocoon to make the silk thread.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
We kill them before to be butterfly.
Yep.
Yeah. Because if they cut the cocoon come out, we cannot use it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The cocoon is broken.
Is broken. It has to be in one piece.
Yes. Right. This is the other species.
Yep.
This is the Ely silk.
Yep.
Yes, it's from the big butterfly there. over there.
These big ones here.
Yes.
That's amazing.
After that,
Yeah.
how to pull the silk thread from the cocoon. We have to boil them in the hot water.
Yeah.
Yes, get the silk thread.
Oh, okay.
Yes, one cocoon is about 500 meters. But one thread like this is mixed together, many cocoon.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, and it all spins together
Yeah, right.
to make that strand there.
Yeah, okay. This is we call raw silk. After it's more rough, you can touch.
Oh,
But
yeah.
after we purify with soap and soda ash,
So how do you get it from there to there? Do you wash it?
wash
Or
by
you-
soap and soda
Soap and soda and...
ash,
Ah,
make it
Wow.
softer. Yes,
it's like...
this is
it's
natural
so
color.
Yeah.
Yes, natural color. But if we want another color, we have to chemical dye.
You dye it.
Yes,
Yeah.
These and then.
And this is where you do it all here. This is the factory where you make it all.
Yeah, we have to show them all, but now only not too more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make a roll like this.
Yeah.
This is all together is about 4,000 thread.
Yeah.
And then we
And then... Yeah. Swadika. And this is the final. Wow.
So we have ready-made scarf and man shirt over
Yeah.
there too. Take your time to look in.
Yeah.
ที่นั่นเรื่องเล็กๆน้องเมาส์สิกับเล็กเรื่องการเมืองแขกอันวันที่25นี่ประมาณอัน20คนละ
มาทุกคน
มา8คน
เป็นสกาฟคิว
ถ้าแบบงานร่มเหลืองก็จะมา8หรือมาตั้งเดือน
อ๋อ
กินแล้วกัน
มาแต่ว่าล้อปิด
ผมมาไม่ได้รับแฝงนี่หรอ
I work from home.
อร่อยอย่าง
Oh, so they have a... Do they have a loom at home and then they just...
เส้นเนี่ยfor us
Oh, okay. So even this went to work from home.
คือเช็คชั่นโฟล์ดี
Guys, I'm at Oriental Artifacts here in Chiang Mai. Absolutely beautiful. This place is awesome. Wait till you see what's here. Everything. Right down to flying carpets. Look at that. Have a look at that. Everything. Jewellery, furnishings. It was fun. Thank you very much, man.
Okay.
Thank you for a great time.
Welcome.
Say goodbye. Thank you, man. Catch you next week.
Okay, see you next week.
See ya. I think that's the best part about coming to Thailand. You just never know what's going to happen. It's full of surprises. And I think that's what we look for. We come here because we want to be surprised. We want to see something different. And you definitely get that here. And the people. The people are amazing. It's been another big day in Chiang Mai. Thanks for coming along for the journey. It's been great fun. And thank you for subscribing. Please like, share, subscribe to keep up to date with what's been happening. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, toodles.